Howdy folks, about to trim some bushes here. Have my Echo HC 1600 hedge trimmers. This is one of the used pieces I bought off eBay. I love this thing, but real quick thing about hedge trimmers that is a maintenance piece a lot of people don't take care of is, much like a chainsaw bar, the tines on your hedge trimmer need lubed as well. So the manual says SAE 30 weight. Motor oil is fine. So that's what I got in my little dealy wampus here. So we'll put some pardon my neighbor's cutting grass. But anyway, that's all you got to do. Pour some oil on them. Crank it up. Try to do this one-handed here. Nice and lubed up. That simple. Keeps everything running properly, and occasionally you want to adjust your nuts here, tighten them up so there's not a whole lot of play, but if you keep it lubed up, you shouldn't have to do that very often. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. I'd appreciate it. You can follow me on social media, both K30 Crazy on Instagram and Facebook. As I end all my videos, stay crazy and have a good one, people.